Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the eligibility of ITC on a mask and a sanitizer under the GST regime. Whether can you avail the input tax credit on a mask or sanitizer provided or consumed by your employee in your organization? Let us discuss with detailed analysis. This is the upcoming burning issue in the COVID-19 atmosphere. The first and foremost question is, can you take ITC of GST paid on purchase of face mask as well as the hand sanitizer for your employees under the GST regime? Now, why such question is come into the picture? The question is come into the picture due to the guideline issued by the Ministry of Health. So the question is due to the arise because of the guideline issued by our government. Now what is the guideline issued by the Ministry of the Health? The government has issued the guidelines that in your organization the wearing of the face cover mask is compulsory in your organization. Further, the sanitizer is required to be provided in entry point as well as your exit point as well as the common area of your organization. So as per the guideline issued by the government, the mask and sanitizer purchase is required for the business people. Now, for the purpose of ITC, you must have to fulfill the condition of input tax credit which are mentioned under section 16 subsection 2. What are the conditions for input tax credit? That the recipient should have a tax invoice issued by the supplier. Means recipient के पास supplier के द्वारा issue किया हुआ tax invoice होना चाहिए. Further, recipient ने actually goods और services receive की होनी चाहिए. Further, the supplier from whom we have purchased had actually paid the tax on such purchases. Further, the said supplier had filed his return mentioned under section 39 of the GST law. That is, the return is GSTR 3B. Now, let us compare the section 16 subsection 1 with the section 17 subsection 5. Section 16 subsection 1 deals with the input tax credit eligibility. However, the section 17 subsection 5 deals with the block credit, means the item mentioned under section 17 subsection 5, you cannot take input tax credit on it. As per section 16 subsection, the registered person can claim ITC of GST paid on inward supply of goods or services that are used or intend to be used by him in the course or furtherance of business. Remember, if you are using any goods or services for the purpose of business or for the purpose of furtherance of your business, then you can entitled to take input tax credit. However, it is subject to section 17 subsection 5, because section 17 subsection 5 is a superior over section 16. So as per section 17 subsection 5 clause G, the ITC will not be available in respect of the goods or services which are used for the purpose of personal consumption. Means जो भी गुड्स और सर्विसेज सिर्फ पर्सनल कंजम्पशन के लिए यूज होती है उसकी आईटीसी बिजनेस पीपल को नहीं मिल सकती है. नाउ द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस: इन द कोर्स और फर्दरेंस ऑफ बिजनेस गिवन अंडर सेक्शन 16 सबसेक्शन 1. So what is the meaning of in the course or furtherance of the business? Unfortunately, friends, in the course or furtherance of the business, the said word is at all not defined under the GST law. Now, why the mask and sanitizer are required to be purchased by the business people? First and foremost requirement, the employees are the one of the asset of your organization. To run business smoothly, the health of an employee must be the priority. So to look after the health of the employee and to run the business smoothly, the mask and sanitizer purchase is required. Further, as per the guideline issued by the government, mask and sanitizer purchase is required. So, for the purpose of complying with the requirement of a government, the said purchase is required. So, for operating your business, you cannot deal with the not compliance with the government guideline. You must have to comply with the government's rules as well as the regulation. Therefore, the mask and sanitizer are required to be purchased by every business organization. Now, the last question, whether the said mask or the sanitizer purchased by such business organization, will it be treated as a personal consumption under section 17 subsection 5G? Whether it is treated as a personal consumption of goods or services under section 17 subsection 5 clause G. Friends, one need to understand that these expenses are incurred by the organization for the employee at a large. This is not incurred for a particular people. This is incurred for a group of an employee, or say for example for all the employee of the organization. So it cannot be considered as it is consumed personally. Same for example, director is taking out the goods of the company to his home, or proprietor is taking out the goods to his home, then it can be said that he has consumed such goods as a personally. But to comply with the guideline and to look after the employees' health, the business people are incurring the said expenses on hand sanitizer as well as the face cover mask. So said expense cannot be referred as a consumption personally. So in our opinion, ITC on purchase of such face mask as well as the sanitizer is available. So in my opinion, input tax credit on purchase of face mask as well as the sanitizer can be made available. However, this is our personal opinion. It cannot be considered as our legal advice. Thank you.